Making $1,000 a month with the TikTok Creativity Program is easier than ever. If you are still not taking advantage of this golden opportunity, I don't know what you are doing. Just like YouTube, TikTok now pays you a certain amount of money for every 1,000 views. That's why I decided to make this video series about TikTok niches. In this video, I'm going to show you the best 7 niche ideas that you can start to do from today with your mobile phone. I will also show you alternative ways to make money using TikTok with your niche. So this is going to be a valuable video. Make sure to watch this till the end. Now let's go to our list. I will show you example channels for all of these 7 niches, then you can go study them and learn from them. Then you can apply that to your own TikTok channel. The last niche idea is the best one. The first niche on my list is the cooking niche. Yeah, you heard right. This is the only niche that doesn't get affected by competition. You don't even need to be a good cook because no one is going to know how tasty your food is. What actually matters is the way you present the video. People love to watch this stuff. If you do this right, your first 10 videos are enough to make at least 1,000 followers. When you are starting, you don't need an expensive camera. You can use your phone to record the videos. You don't have to show your face, that's another advantage. Let me show you one of the best TikTokers in this niche. This is one of the most unique TikTok cooking channels I have seen. What is the main difference between this TikTok creator and other creators in this niche? He is cooking in the outside. This content is really beautiful to watch. One of the reasons that this creator is so successful is his background view. Just look at these videos. The places he selects for the videos are very stunning. Every single video has more than 1 million views. This channel is probably making more than $10,000 a month. This is another similar channel. If you can find a beautiful place like this, starting an outdoor cooking TikTok page is the best thing you can do. Apart from the TikTok Creativity Program, you can make money with affiliate marketing by promoting cooking-related products. Also, you can create merch around your brand and sell it to the people who love your content. I will make 2 videos regarding these methods. One for affiliate marketing and TikTok, and the other one for how to make a merch brand with TikTok. So, keep in touch with my channel. Next niche on my list is pet niche. If you have a cat or dog, even any pet animal, you can make content around it. That's really simple. Just record it several times a day and post it on TikTok. You won't believe how much reach you will get for one video. It's better if you have uncommon pet animals like lizards and snakes. People love to watch those. If you don't have a pet, you can skip this niche because we have 6 more niches. But if you have a pet, you must create content around it. You can create a fan base around your pet within a short period of time. This niche is one of the best and fastest growing niches in 2024. Just look at this creator. He posts videos about his pet lizard, and he has gained 2 million followers. It's just simple videos. The crazy thing is he gets thousands and millions of views daily. This is another TikTok page about a cat. It's all about funny things that these cats do in daily life. They don't even show their faces. One of the best advantages of this niche is that you can create a t-shirt or merch brand around your pet. You won't believe how much people love to buy such things related to pets. So, if you have a pet, take out your camera and start recording. Third niche is fitness and gym. The first thing you must understand is that you don't need to have a godlike physique to do this niche. If you go to the gym several times a week or you love to work out, you can start recording your progress. It doesn't matter if you have a good physique or not, because nowadays people love to watch the journey instead of the final result. If you are a gym rat, you can start it from today. You only need a mobile phone. This is very similar to a vlog. It doesn't matter if you are a male, female, skinny, or fat. Just start recording and posting about your journey. You can make an audience around you within a month. One of the advantages of this niche is you can promote a lot of products with affiliate marketing. Or as I mentioned in the previous niches, you can start a t-shirt brand or especially a gym clothing brand. Apart from these 2, you can start a Shopify dropshipping website with fitness-related products and promote it to your audience. It's a win-win situation. Let me show you some examples of TikTok channels in this niche. This creator posts about her daily workouts. She has gained almost 1 million followers within a short period of time. This is another creator in this niche. She talks about her weight loss journey. As you can see, she already has started to promote products with brand deals. So this niche is one of the best fast-growing niches that you can start from today. Number 4 on my list is, let's call it how you spent your day. So this is not a new niche, but in 2024, new creators have started these calm and relaxing vlog-style videos about their daily lives. Normally, it's about them making their meals, reading, studying, going to work. If you watch these videos, they are very relaxing and calm. In this busy and competitive world, people love to watch this kind of videos. If you are a girl, this is the best niche for you. One of the best things with this niche is that creating videos for this niche is very easy. For example, let's say you are making a coffee, you can just record it and add a calm voiceover for it. Then you can upload videos several times a day. This is a new niche. I'm sure this niche will blow up by the end of this year. Here are some example channels. This new TikTok creator is only posting about her daily life tasks. The videos are very calm. It's just really simple, but it will give you a different vibe. This is another example. This guy is posting about his studies and how he spends his day. This niche is very similar to a vlog, but more calming and relaxing. With this niche, you can sell digital planners and meditation-related things to your audience. You can also do affiliate marketing with this niche. The next niche on my list is the beauty and look maxing niche. We all know that this niche is popular among girls, but in 2024, a lot of male creators have started this niche. It's called look maxing. The problem with this niche is, if you are a man, you have to be handsome or good looking to start this niche. But if you are a girl, that doesn't matter. Anyone can start this niche. So basically, you can start posting about your makeup tutorials, what things you do for your face, and things related to the beauty industry. One of the advantages of this niche is that you can build a great audience around you. They will be waiting until you upload a video. Apart from the TikTok creativity program, you can promote product affiliates and do dropshipping with beauty-related products. If you are a good-looking person, don't waste your potential. Start this niche. This is one of the best creators in this niche. With only 15 videos, he has gained around 45,000 followers. He is talking about look maxing. Another example is, this TikToker has gained around 82,000 followers only with 11 videos. So, if you start this niche, you can easily go viral. Sixth niche on my list is relationship niche. This one is also good for both male and female creators. I have seen this new niche doing so well in 2024. You can give relationship advice or share your experience with dating, stuff like that. You can easily build a loyal audience around you. One thing people love to do most of the time is listen to other people's relationship stories and learn from their mistakes. This is one of the best creators in this niche. If you go and look at her videos, you can understand this niche. This is another example TikTok page for this niche. Final and the best niche for TikTok in 2024 is gossip and news niche. One of the main reasons why this niche is so good is that you will not go out of content ideas. In order to make money with the TikTok creativity program, your video's duration should be longer than 1 minute. With this niche, you can easily make videos that are longer than 1 minute. Don't just stick to your country, do news and gossip related to all around the world. Gossip about celebrities, famous sports players, and politics-related news are good sub-niches for this niche. If you are updated about what's going on in the world, this niche is the best. Whenever you hear or read such news or gossip, you can create a video and upload it. Your videos will get thousands of views within several hours. This creator makes videos about celebrity news. And every video has thousands of views. This is another example page. This creator makes videos around conflicts between countries. So, if you are a person who loves to know about what is going on in the world, this is the best niche for you. With that said, I'm going to end this video. In the next video, I will do a list of faceless TikTok niches, so keep in touch with my channel.